We taking a tour of my tiny, small studio apartment. It's the first apartment I moved in when I came to the city of Atlanta. We got little Rizee in the house. She gonna go with me while I take you guys on this tour and show you around. I want to give a shout out to a couple of channels that were my inspiration. They showed me that living in a tiny, small space was possible. So I want to give a shout out to channel Never Too Small, Spaces TV, and Kirsten Dirksen. Let's get into the tour. So we down in the city, ATL, in Atlanta, and I'm going to show you what they have to offer. I'm bringing little Rizee to life. She going to come with me while I take you guys along on this tour. She real happy about taking you guys on this tour. She's been wanting to do this for a while. This is the hall. This is the entryway. I'm in the front of my apartment. I'm going to give you a full view, a panoramic view. Rizee wants to know why a 360 view? Well, little Rizee, I want to show the people how small it is. Back to the tour. So this is the kitchen. By the way, I did do all the art that's on the walls. Please excuse my lighting for being so dark. This was my very first video. So right here is a storage area. I created this little nook just for storage. I do have an online boutique, so I was able to store my online items there. You know, when you're in a tiny, small apartment, you got to take advantage of every little nook and cranny for storage. Storage comes as a premium in a small apartment. That cabinet right there, I got it from IKEA. What I like about it is I can keep all my art supplies in here as well as my cleaning supplies too. These benches right here, they have storage inside. You know, in a tiny, small apartment, storage comes at a premium. I really enjoy my view in this apartment. I'm able to see all the way downtown. And if I zoom in, if you look real close, you can see the sign to the Fox Theater. So here's the rest of the view. The lighting in here has a soft white yellowish color, okay? Excuse my lighting. Here goes some more art that I did. Heading back toward the back is my bedroom area, but first, here's another IKEA cabinet. I was able to fit 3 of them in my studio apartment. There's my computer desk and another shelving unit next to my canopy. There's storage under the bed too. Hey! I created this canopy, I designed it and had someone build it for me. And I also made the curtains. Lots of storage under that bed, as I stated before. Here's my closet right next to the canopy bed. I take full advantage of these storage bins. That way it helps me stay organized. You see my labels? Now coming out from the bedroom area, we're going into the bathroom. Those cabinets right there by the toilet, those are from IKEA as well. More art on the wall that I did. Just in case you didn't know, I also do custom art. Leave a message below in the comment box if you would like to know more about the art that I customize, okay? Hey! All right. So from my bedroom area, you can see clear to the front again. Show you a little bit more of my tiny, small apartment. And I've made it work for me. This video was recorded in 2014, but be sure to come along with me in 2020 for that video because I was able to do a tour of my other apartment.